isn't too bad. This is probably one of the easier assignments because really what you're looking at is it going to ask you to draw the floor plan of a portion of a house that'll be impacted by a project, right? And then consider what it is you're going to do to change that question. And really ask you to identify, right, all these questions that you'll need to answer as part of a project scoping document. Okay. And then you'll submit your scope assessment and you'll be done. Now you will use, if I'm not mistaken, the project definition document that you did before, right? But now it's not your project, it's a different project, all right? It's a make-believe project. And so yours, this is a little bit more of a, I don't know. What do you think about this? And it's a little more of a mind bender, if you will, not really a mind bender. An exercise in creativity. Okay, you have a room, you want to make it better. So what is that going to require? You're going to develop a project document, project definition document, right? So this is, you see this all right here, right? In this, you're just going to do a first draft of it. And that should be it. So we're looking at, right? How do you understand scope? Make sure you've written out the assessment clearly and completely. Let's see if why isn't there something in here that gives you a little bit more guidance on that? Usually there is. Let me see. A little more of a template to use. Start here. Let's see if it's in here. Scope and objectives handout. Let's see what we have in this. What is the scope? Planning, using, project definition. So yeah, I mean, you're really just going back to this project definition document, but for a fictitious project at this time, and going through all these items and filling them out. In addition, you're making sure that you have a nice, clear scope document, right? A scope statement. And in this case, you're actually going to, if I remember right, you're going to create a before and after drawing. And I think this one, you're just doing the before, what needs to be done. Scope assessment. Let's read through this nice and clearly. Start by, start by drawing the floor plan of the portion of the house that will be impacted by this project. Make notes on the plan, right? Share this work with other members of your group. Now, I could probably pull up something that was done before that. Yeah. So, well, no, you got, so you just really, you got a floor plan, plus you have a project definition document. Those are the two things, combined into one file, and you just submit to me, and that's it. All right. So I think it should be pretty easy. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Otherwise, I think this upcoming week should not be too bad. But I always say that. I take things a little too easy. So I have a special way of doing that. If you have any questions, give me a holler. Otherwise, have a great rest of your week. Take care. Bye.